I can't believe this. I can't do anything right.
The car needs new brakes. This is gonna cost so much. This is why I never get ahead.
I can never find anyone I want to go on a date with. I'll be single forever.
I should have gone to the gym today. I always make excuses.
Conversations in our minds are called self-talk. These internal dialogues can shape your beliefs and influence emotions and behavior. Repeated self-talk can eventually become what a person considers facts, even on a subconscious level. Positive self-talk reflects internal thoughts that provide you with assurance and motivation. You can use positive self-talk as a way to guide your decisions and tackle everyday challenges. Negative thinking, on the other hand, can detract from or distort your positive outlook. Negative thinking can lead to stress. Let's explore more about negative thinking. Some common patterns of negative thinking include personalizing and filtering. Personalizing is when you see yourself as the cause of all the bad things in your life. Filtering is when you focus on negative information and ignore positive information. These patterns of negative thinking often leave people feeling helpless. But with practice, people can continue to create more rational and positive thought patterns. One step in the process of focusing on positive self-talk rather than negative thinking is to check your thoughts. Whenever you recognize that you're thinking negatively, take a step back and consider how to reword things in a gentler or more positive way. Instead of saying, "I'm always late to everything, I'm so disorganized," say, "If I start using reminders and alerts regularly, I could really make my day run smoother." Positive self-talk is not self-deception. It is a way to find something positive when facing the ups and downs of each day. Some other ways to shift your thinking include surrounding yourself with positive people, exercising and eating a healthy diet as directed by your physician. It is also important to be aware of situations, environments, and triggers that cause you to fall back on negative thinking. Whenever the opportunity arises, try to find humor to ease the tension. By training your self-talk to be more positive, you will be able to manage stress more effectively. You may also experience less stress and an increase in motivation and self-confidence. It takes time, practice, and patience to train yourself to be effective in using positive self-talk. But when successful, it keeps your mindset balanced.